Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am opening my Boxycharm for August. A couple of things before I get started. It is currently 83 degrees in my house. That is actually the coolest it's been for a few days now. That's been the situation. So it's really hot and I had a fan going, but I turned it off because I didn't want it to sound loud. If I look like I'm melting, it's because I am. Anyway, let's get into the Boxycharm. So this month's box theme is Wildflower. That is such a pretty card. The first item in the box I'm very excited about. This is the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale Smoky Eyeshadow Palette. It retails for $35. It says it's made up of 12 highly pigmented shades, and these shades remind me a lot of the Naked One palette. They're like really cool toned. I'm excited to try this. I've really been wanting to try more from this brand, but I haven't, so Boxycharm's got the hookup. And to apply that, I am going to use the next product in the box, which are these Alamar Cosmetics Ojitos brush set. And I'm excited about this too because I follow Gabby on Instagram and she's always posting these, and look at these. These are so nice. Got a big fluffy crease brush, a tight liner brush, the flat painter brush, and they feel really nice. These retail for $18. I'm just gonna zoom in and make a look with this. So this is what I have on the eyes so far. I used these two brushes and I'll use the other one on my lower lash line, but so far I like them. I can't tell if this one is supposed to be kind of like skinny like this or if it's from the packaging, but I still like it. It's really nice, really soft. This was a really good flat shader brush because it is smaller and it was really easy to be more precise. I tried to use the shade Clutch all over my lid and I decided I didn't like it, so I just covered it with Silver Spoon. The shadows were okay. They're pretty nice. They're a little dusty, so if you don't mind fallout and kick up and all that stuff, then you'll like this palette. But otherwise, the shadows were really easy to blend. The next item in the box is this Butter London Stroke of Wow Roll-On Liner. I have seen a bunch of different brands do this, and to be honest, it doesn't make any sense to me. I don't see how you can roll a wheel on a surface that's not flat and it work out well, but this is what the applicator looks like. This retails for $19. I'm gonna try to do a wing with it. Okay, so 20 years later, I finally finished putting my eyeliner on and they don't match, but if I hadn't cleaned it up, this would have been terrible. This was really hard to work with. You have to change the angle a lot, and I had to dip back in a lot to use this product, and I would just say pass on this for sure because I'll probably never ever use it again. I'm going to put on almost the rest of my makeup and I'll be right back. I'm back and I'm melting, but the next thing in the box is this guy. This is the Laura Geller Baked Blush and Brighten, and I got mine in the shade Tropic Hues. I'm very excited about this full-size blush because I have a little sample size Laura Geller blush that I really like. Got a little bit much. It's pretty pigmented. Go in with a light hand. As I suspected, I really like this. I like the formula, and this is a really pretty color. So it kind of like gives you that highlighted look, or that could just be my sweat. And that retails for $28. Now we're gonna move on to the last thing in the box, which is this guy. This is the Hank and Henry liquid lipstick. Before I read the card, I thought it was a regular lipstick, and I tried to open it. It looks like a bullet lipstick. Mine is in the shade Petal Pusher. This is what the applicator looks like. It's similar to Smashbox in the shape. This retails for $17. This is the lipstick. I don't think I would choose this to go with this eye because it's a little clownish, but whatever. This was a really thick formula. It's a little drier formula too, but it feels pretty comfortable on the lips. It doesn't seem like it's super drying or anything. So far, I really like it. The overall value of the box was about $117, which is awesome. Out of everything in the box, I did not care for the eyeliner. I really liked the Alamar brushes. I really like this blush. So I would say probably the blush or the brushes is my favorite. And I did like the liquid lipstick. So anyway, guys, that is it for today's video. Let me know down below, did you like what you got in this month's Boxycharm? Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. That's a big ass fucking bug. Nightingale or why can I not say that word?